Great Smoky Mountains. There's the applicator completing the climb. He's applying himself. This is where we're going. Straight up. Started out with some rain this morning, and it's cleared out. You can see a long way now. It's real pretty.
There's Fontana Dam down there.
See Fontana Dam.
About 18 miles away.
Blue Ridge Mountains, and there might be Fontana Dam over there. See the water?
Oh yeah.
Anyway, we are having a blast, and we will hopefully be done with the Smokies in 5 days. So, that's about that applicator.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Do it.